Hey everybody, thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today is collaboration day with the Fab 5. We are doing the 5 elements. So Nicole has gone first and she's doing fire. Then I'm doing water. Rose is next. She's doing earth. Christi is doing air, and Katrien, I hope I say that her name right, Katrien is doing space. I'm sorry, Katrien, if I don't say your name right, I do apologize. I will have everybody's links in the description. So please go and check everybody's out. So what I'm going to start off with, I'm going to do just water, I guess, kind of. I don't want to do it like a beach theme again. I think I did that not too long ago. I'm going to just start off with some lighter colors and kind of work my way down. I'm going to have a little bit of white smeared in. So the colors I'm using for my lightest blue is Creative Inspirations Sky Blue. Then the next color I have is Blinkrylic's Florescent Blue. And then I have Blinkrylic's Phalo Blue, and then another one that I did a little bit darker where I mixed the Phalo Blue in with some Amsterdam's Black Oxide, just to make it just a little bit darker. It's still a really pretty blue. I don't know if you can see it or not up there, but it's gorgeous. So I think up here I'm going to leave this more white and then just kind of work my way down to being a little bit darker. But I do still want to have, I'm going to use a little bit of white in with it as well. All of these cells are gorgeous. The movement of the waves is perfect. I'm really pleased with this. I was thinking of using even a bigger canvas. Kind of wish I would have. But, you know, that's what happens. Yeah, I'm happy with it, just the way it is. All right, so I'm gonna cut down these lights, the studio lights, and then I'm gonna bring you down for a close-up. All right, sorry for the glare up above, you guys. That's the light from the ceiling, and I can't turn it off. It's pretty cloudy out here today, and so it'll be really dark. But so I just go from the lighter blue to a little bit darker, to a little bit darker. And those cells, whoa, look at them. Beautiful. To the darkest blue. I'm pretty happy with it. I really like how it turned out. So I got to give my shout out to my props to Molly's artistry. Not that she watches my channel or anything, but she's the one I seen do a wave-ish like this. She did it on a way bigger, and maybe like a year or so ago, I think, when I first started watching her. But she does some really beautiful waves. But yeah, so anyway, I do thank everybody for watching. So if you haven't checked out Molly, which I'm sure everybody has, Molly's Artistry, check her out. She's amazing. But back to my collab here with the ladies, the Fab Five ladies. I don't know how we got calling ourselves that, but we've done a few collaborations together, and that's what we've been saying. So here we are, the Fab Five. But I will have everybody's link in the description, so check everybody's out. Like I said, everybody is doing a different element. Nicole started first, then me, then Rose, and then Christi and Katrien. Sorry if I say your name wrong. I really apologize. But I do thank everybody for watching. Check everybody's out, please. They are amazing artists. I'm sure you've heard of them before because we've done collabs together if you follow me. And yeah, but I do thank everybody for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you will like and subscribe and share and all that fun stuff. And yep, I appreciate you guys so much. Thanks, ladies, for another fun collaboration. I look forward to many more with you guys. And yeah, but thanks for watching, everybody. Rose is up next, so her link will be in the description. So please check everybody out. Have a good day, have a good evening, and keep being creative. Bye.